would recognize something grows in the fridge today, and it's been rotting there all week. It's living in the fridge. You can't stop it from growing. Living in the fridge. Can't tell what it is at all.
Save me! No!
Oh my god, a porn site! Oh my god, I'm gonna see all this great porn!
I can't
Get a life and stop jacking it!
No! No! It's not true! That's impossible!
Good work. Now finish the job. But some parts are missing, and we can't tell what is silence! I'm ordering you to remove it. Can you hear me?
Yes, Master. Where is my penis? Is she safe? Is she alright?
It seems in your anger, you killed your
Penis! I couldn't. She was alive. I felt it. No! You must die!
But why would you want to harm somebody who can help you with your problem? See, I know a doctor.
I'm a better robot. Penis builder than I thought. Join me, and I will make your penis the greatest in Korodai. No!
What's with your leg? Oh my god, that's not your leg!
Kill him.
Falcon! Penis!
I'm a fire in the laser!